Now, how can you make your Apple Watch display digital time? So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. So digital time can be set up very easily. So on your iPhone that is paired to the Apple Watch, you can open up the Watch app and at the bottom tap on the Face Gallery. This is important because in there, you get to pick from all of these different styles of your clock, right? So the Apple Watch can be customized and set up in a very extensive way. And in here, you can see plenty of different types of the clocks, right? Some of them are like the analog, some of them are digital, right? And you can see that you get to even customize the colors, the fonts, like alignment, whatever, right? So this is the place where you make the most out of your Apple Watch. So the point is that if you like the digital clock over the regular analog clock face, you get to switch it in here and set it up for your Apple Watch. And then directly on your wrist, you can anytime just hold down on it and switch to another view, right? So you just have so much control over it and so many options to pick from. So just make sure that you set up the watch the way that you like it. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. In case of any questions, leave them below. But most definitely do not miss the next videos by clicking the subscribe button, right? So just make sure you do that and you will not miss the next videos where I'm going to teach you more things about the Apple Watch. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later in the next videos.